show, the Dutch polls have closed, and sadly, Islamophobic far-right nationalist Q-tip Geert Wilders failed to win a victory for his race of blue-eyed meerkats. Sorry, Geert. Hey, at least you've got a super fan here in America.
Iowa Republican Congressman Steve King is facing all kinds of backlash now after this tweet.
You wrote that Wilders understands that culture and demographics are our destiny. We cannot restore our civilization with somebody else's babies.
This brings us to our recurring segment, What Does a White Dude Have to Say to Get Fired? While David Duke and Richard Spencer applauded Steve's white pride, Republican leaders distanced themselves from it by several centimeters.
I don't think that statement reflects what is special about this country. I'd like to think that he misspoke.
Hate to dash your hopes, oh Captain, my Captain.
What did you mean?
Well, of course, I meant exactly what I said.
They didn't misspeak at all. English is essentially a carrier of liberty, and it expresses freedom and liberty more effectively than any other language on the planet.
Whereas Steve King's ideas sound better in Middle-High German. Seriously, what does a loud and proud ethno-nationalist gotta do to get fired around here? Even the Breitbart White House was like, no, man, too racist.
I think the president believes that this is not a point of view that he shares. He believes he's the president for all Americans, and so I'll leave it at that.
If the president believes that, it's probably true. Though, to be fair, he also believes that the top switch in the Lincoln bathroom turns off NATO. That's what Bannon told him. Oh, look at him, he's finally having fun. So congratulations to Dutch voters who gave their white nationalist a public spanking. Just wondering, when are Iowa voters gonna do the same to theirs? We'll be right back.